Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be giving you a tutorial on my everyday makeup and hair look. This is what I usually do when I'm going to work or to a meeting and I really don't want to be putting up all that makeup on my face. But anyways, I'll see you at the end of this video. I hope you watch it till the end and let me know your thoughts on this look. What do you usually do when you're going to work? Like, do you wear makeup to work? People have this thing they say. They're always like, oh, people who do the most makeup, like makeup artists and everything, they wear the least makeup out. Like, let me know your thoughts on that. I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Hi guys, so starting out with my eyebrows, I'll be using Tristic's eyebrow pencil. This pencil is really nice. Like, you just need one stroke and it does the trick. So as you can see, I'm just following my the outline of my eyebrows. I'm not doing anything too special to it, and then darkening the edge a little, and I'm just going to do that to the other eye. Then going on with my CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. This is the color Honey Brown. I'm going to be using that over my eyebrow just to give it a natural look. This eyebrow brush also helps to keep your eyebrow hairs in place. So if you have like really thick eyebrow hairs, like this is the real MVP for that. Now they're looking really chunky, but don't worry, I'm going to clean it up and then it won't look as chunky. Like, eyebrows are literally the genesis of your makeup. They are really important. It's important that you do them well. And then I'm just going to clean up the underneath part. I'm not going to clean up the top. And I said, this makeup is not elaborate at all. It's something that you can do to work when you wake up in the morning. It's supposed to be really easy. Okay guys, so that's all I'm doing to my eyebrows, and then I just need to clean up this mess. So going into my foundation, I mostly use the Maybelline New York 24-hour Super Stay Foundation, and it's usually in the color 356, which is Warm Honey. And the last part of your foundation is finished. Like, you have to clear it. Anyway, so going into my foundation, if this is good for you, like some people can actually go to work like this and they'll be fine, with just foundation. You can leave it here and just put on some powder and go. But I'm not that person. I'm not that person at all. So yes, I do contour, but my contour routine is like simplified, like it's overly simplified, honestly, and you guys can do this. So I just get my loose powder, shake it up into the container, just a little bit of loose powder. So I get this brush with the powder on it, and I just do a slight contour, or I do a slight highlight with the powder. So the difference is that instead of baking, we're just going to use the loose light powder over the areas that need to be highlighted. And please use something to cover you because the powder is going to be like all over the place. I'm just going to allow this to sit a little longer. I mean, it depends on you, but I like my nose really contoured and shaped. So that's it basically for the highlight. You can try to do the rest of your loose powder back into its place. I feel like I'm on a cooking show. Cover it up, set it aside. Now I'm going in with my Sleek Makeup Face Contour Kit, and it's just a small one. And I'm just going to be using the dark shade from that kit to contour. But this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using my face brush, and I'm just going to dip it in this a little. And I'm just going to, put it in the areas that need to be contoured, just lightly. You are working all things for my good. You. Then taking my face powder, I'm using Iman Second to None Luminous Powder in Earth 3, and this is what the powder looks like. And I'm just going to be putting that on the highlighted part of my face. So like this areas that look white, I'm going to be putting that over it. And just so your eyebrows not looking too like, hey, I'm here. You just want to put some powder. I'm just going to use my finger to rub some powder and put it at the beginning of my eyebrow just to kind of like fade it out. This is it. This is the end of the makeup, the face makeup. This is it. Like, trust me guys, this makeup look is easy. You can do it in 20 minutes and leave your house, even in 10 if you're fast enough, but if you're not, you can do it in 20 minutes and leave. I've been talking and it's just been 23 minutes now. Like, hey, we obviously have to highlight. I mean, but the highlight does not have to be pronounced. Again, remember that this is workplace makeup, so not too much of anything. I'm using my elf apricot glow today. I'm going to be using the brush I used for the powder to apply my highlight, and also I'm going to use my hand to blend that out. I'm not putting that brush back into the highlighter. I'm just going to put it over on the other side. Again, use my hand to blend, nothing too much. And then my nose, I like to put my finger in the highlight just a little, and then put it on the tip of my nose and kind of the bridge, and then use the brush to like blend it. The mascara I'll be using today is the Pink Pewter Collection Mascara, and it comes with two sides, extreme voluminous extender and the curling mascara. This is what it looks like, just to give you a feel. On one side is the voluminous. The voluminous I'm going to use on my upper lashes, and the curling mascara I'm going to use on my bottom lashes. Like whenever I put makeup on, I can't remember the last time I stepped out of my house without doing my bottom lashes. To me, it just seems. Anyways, this is what the the other end of the mascara looks like. It's just a small, teeny weeny brush. MakeupDoc. And finally, after doing that, guys, I'm just going to use a lip gloss, and that will be the end of this face beat. So we're done with the face, and now I need to do my hair. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. And if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please, this is the best time to tell you to subscribe to the channel. Anyways, taking my rice water, I'm just going to spray a little bit on my hair. Okay, so usually like when I'm going to work, or when I'm brushing and I have my natural hair out, I just literally like pull it back. If your hair can be pulled back, if not, you can just put it in a puff. And then of course I take some of my Gorilla Snot Gel and I just put it on my edges. Anyways, as I get done with my hair, word of advice: he who argues with a madman is also a what? A madman. This week, whoever annoys you or whoever gets on your nerve, decide to answer with grace. Decide that you will handle situations with grace. This and 19. You know, you cannot join a pig and be rolling in the mud, because at the end of the day, if you roll in that mud with that pig, people will look at you and say, see these two pigs rolling in the mud. Yes, just so that you're going to be a happy person, you're going to be who the Lord is. Don't allow other people's opinions about you or whatever decide who you're going to be. Don't. Slate edges are my best friends in the world. Slate edges. So I am work ready. I'm in with my nice checked shirt. I really hate checked shirts, but this has been in my closet, and I realized that, you know, if I don't wear it, you know that rule, if you don't wear something within a year, you give it out. I try to stick by that rule. So anything that I secretly want to keep, but I'm not sure if I really like, I just wear, like, you know, once in the year, and I'm like, okay, yeah. So today is the day where I wear this check shirt, mostly out of compulsion. But anyways, this is my work, my everyday work, school, makeup and hair tutorial. Don't I look so cute? I look like a, you know, young professional. Hey, out there. Anyway, so this is the look. I hope you guys like it. Please share, please like, and please subscribe. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, please follow me at makeupdr.a on Instagram, on Facebook, and of course on YouTube. So subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have an amazing week, and remember, don't be a pig this week. This week, decide that you are going to be a king, a queen, and, you know, act with grace.